Hey, MRes in Neuroscience from the University of St. Andrews is a one-year, full-time specialization master-level course, and here are the top reasons to go for this course. The MRes in Neuroscience is designed to provide advanced training in neuroscience research. In this course, you shall conduct a year-long research project and learn relevant techniques and skills through practical laboratory work. Research projects are carried out in a single laboratory over the full length of the program, providing you with a unique opportunity to pursue research questions in depth. The program is run by the School of Psychology and Neuroscience at the University of St. Andrews that promotes a research-based culture of teaching across a wide breadth of psychology and neuroscience topics. The most recent Research Excellence Framework in 2014 ranked the University of St. Andrews top in Scotland and 14th in the UK for the quality of research publications across science, the arts, divinity and medicine. 100% of the research is internationally recognized, while 80% are world-leading or internationally excellent. The University of St. Andrews was voted top in the UK for student academic experience in the National Student Survey 2020. The university has secured a TEF Gold Award for the quality of teaching. The overall aim of this course is to enable students to acquire the skills needed to succeed as independent research scientists. So let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for MRes Neuroscience from the University of St. Andrews. Let me take you through some of the numerous exciting opportunities with this unique MRes Neuroscience course from the University of St. Andrews that will enable you to advance your career. A large number of psychology and neuroscience postgraduates have gained postdoctoral and lecturing positions in universities across the world. The school provides opportunities for students to gain academic experience by being involved in tutorials, laboratory classes, and through conducting independent research. In addition to pursuing careers in academia, postgraduates within the school have gone on to pursue careers in a variety of fields, including industry, education, and medicine. The Career Center at the University of St. Andrews offers one-on-one advice to all students on a taught postgraduate course and offers a program of events to assist students in building their employability skills. Many graduates continue their education by enrolling in PhD programs at St. Andrews and other top UK universities. Hey, MRes Neuroscience from the University of St. Andrews will definitely help you in learning professional skills and overall development. Let me share some interesting insights. The School of Psychology and Neuroscience hosts a weekly seminar program typically held in the old library of the Psychology building. These seminars can include public lectures, open school discussions, and papers presented by a variety of guest lecturers from the UK and abroad. Following the seminar, a reception is typically held in the departmental common room. The school also hosts an annual Jeeves lecture as part of its seminar program. The lectures are given by eminent psychologists and neuroscientists. Staff, students, and members of the public are welcome at this lecture. The course begins with a week-long intensive module which continues during semester 1 with a weekly seminar series. Teaching methods include lectures, seminars, practical and guided independent study. There are amazing benefits to study MRes Neuroscience from the University of St. Andrews. Let me share some of them. The University of St. Andrews is the top university in Scotland and second only to Oxford in the UK, according to the Guardian University Guide 2021. Thereby splitting the Oxbridge duopoly for a second year in succession. According to the QS University World Rankings 2021, St. Andrews is one of the world's top 100 universities. St. Andrews is a unique place to study and live. Nestled on the east coast of Scotland, students may find themselves crossing golf courses on their way to class or jogging along the beach after dinner. Not only does the university have a world-class reputation, it also offers a diverse range of social activities, including over 140 student societies and 50 sports clubs. Historic buildings are juxtaposed against the modern facilities, and the many student traditions truly make studying at St. Andrews an unforgettable experience. Your entire year is going to be full of learnings, and believe me, it would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The MRes Neuroscience program from the University of St. Andrews includes a streamlined taught component, comprised of compulsory and optional modules. The compulsory modules include Neuroscience Research, Design Reading Party, which is an intensive week-long module, provides an introduction to designing and carrying out neuroscience research at the postgraduate level. Techniques and skills in neuroscience research that examine state-of-the-art neuroscience technique through critical analysis of primary literature. You will also need to submit a research project culminating in a database thesis of not more than 15,000 words. The thesis will describe the research results obtained from the year-long research project and must be submitted by a date specified by the university, which is usually in August. Isn't this great? And here is a list of optional modules that would be offered depending upon availability at the university. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for expert advice directly from the university, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate.